Sri Guru Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaliva. See, this is 10th standard state board maths chapter 7 mensuration exercise 7.1. First we are going to see about the cylinder. Under the cylinder you can see about the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. See, what is the shape of the cylinder? See here, this is the shape of the cylinder. Cylinder, that base area is the shape of the circle. Up top and bottom area is the shape of the circle, and this is the height of the cylinder. This is the height of the cylinder, and this is the diameter or radius of the cylinder. Can you imagine a road roller? Imagine a road roller or measuring can, cylindrical can. See, this is the shape of the cylinder, this is the height of the cylinder, base area, both top and bottom, the base area is in the shape of the circle. So, what is the surface area? Surface area, the another name for surface area is total surface area. In the question they are asking about the surface area, means you can write down the total surface area. Surface area equal to surface area or total surface area. Surface area or total surface area. Total surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area? Curved surface area. Curved surface area equal to 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r into 2 pi r circumference, 2 pi r into h, circumference of the circle, 2 pi r into h. Total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Square units. 2 pi r into h plus r square units. See here, square units. 2 pi r h, that is curved surface area of the cylinder, plus 2 pi r square, that is area of the circle, base area of the circle, pi r square. This area of the circle, pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now we move on to the hollow cylinder. See about the hollow cylinder. See here, hollow. This is the shape of the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder, you have a inner radius and outer radius. Inner radius and outer radius. Now we are going to see about the hollow cylinder. This is the radius, inner radius r, and this is the outer radius, capital R. You have the inner radius and outer radius. Now we are going to see about the curved surface area and total surface area of the hollow cylinder. So curved surface area of the hollow cylinder. Curved surface area of the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. What is the formula for curved surface area of the hollow cylinder? 2 pi r h. This is 2 pi r into r plus r into h. External radius and internal radius. Capital R plus small r into height. Next, total surface area or surface area of the hollow cylinder. Surface area of the hollow cylinder equal to 2 pi into r plus r, 2 pi into r plus r minus r plus h, r minus r plus h into square units. Square units, both square units. Square units. See, curved surface area of the hollow cylinder is 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h. Capital R external radius, small r internal radius into h. Then total surface area of the hollow cylinder is 2 pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus R plus H into square units. See the first sum, the radius and height of the cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and its curved surface area ratio, radius and height of the cylinder are in the ratio 5:7, that is R by H. You can write it in a fraction, R by H equal to 5/7. R is nothing but a radius and H is nothing but a what? Height. Radius and height. Radius and height are in the ratio 5:7. So R by H equal to 5/7. Curved surface area. Curved surface area equal to 5500 centimeter square. 5500 centimeter square. What is the formula for the curved surface area of the cylinder? Curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h equal to 2 pi r h equal to 5500. 2 pi r h equal to 5500. 5500. 2 into 22/7 into what is the value of R? 2 into 22/7 into they are in the ratio. They are in the ratio R equal to 5/7. So you can take it as R equal to 5/7. You can take it as H equal to, or you can reciprocal that value. H equal to, see here, H by R equal to 7/5. H by R equal to 7/5, reciprocal that value. H equal to 7/5 into R. You can make it as a single variable. So 22/7 into R into H value. What is the H value? 7/5 into R equal to 5500. Is it clear, children? See, two variables are there, so we can make it as a single variable. H by R equal to R, they are in the ratio R by H equal to 5/7. So reciprocal that value. H by R equal to 7/5. So H equal to cross multiplication 7/5 into R. So 2 into 22, 7 get cancelled, 7 get cancelled. 2 into 22 into R square by 5 equal to 5500. 5500 R square equal to 5500 into 5 by 2 into 22. You keep R square here, remaining terms you can bring it into the right hand side. 2 times 500. 2 times 500. 2 ones are 2. This is 250. Then 2 ones are 125. 125 into 5, the value is what? 625. The value is 625. See, R equal to 625. You know very well what is the value of H by R. H by R equal to 7/5 and H equal to 7/5 R. R square equal to 625. R equal to 25 centimeter plus or minus. We cannot take the negative value for radius, so you can take the positive value. Radius equal to 25 centimeter. You should find out the radius and height. Height equal to 7R by 5. Height equal to 7R by 5 for height. Height equal to 7 into R. R value is 25. 25 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are height equal to 35 centimeter. Height equal to 35 centimeter. See the second sum, a solid iron cylinder. A solid iron cylinder, total surface area is 1848 centimeter square and curved surface area is 5 by 6 of the total surface area. It is given as, see what is the things are given? Given total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder equal to 1848 centimeter square and its curved surface area equal to 5 by 6 of the total surface area. Curved surface area is 5 by 6 of the total surface area. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. See here, 2 pi RH. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder formula? Curved surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi RH square units. 2 pi RH square units. So 2 pi RH equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. 2 pi because curved surface area equal to 5 by 6 of the total surface area. 2 pi RH equal to 5 by 6 of what is the value of total surface area? 1848. 1848. So you can cancel the value. What is the value we are getting? 306. See here, 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH equal to, that is curved surface area of the cylinder equal to 1540. Now we move on to the total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder is 1848. Total surface area equal to, total surface area of the cylinder is what? 1848. What is the formula for total surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi R into H plus R equal to 1848. So can multiply 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square equal to 1848. What is the value of 2 pi RH? 1540. 1540 plus 2 pi R square equal to 2 pi R square equal to 1848. See here, 2 pi R square equal to 1848. 1848 minus 1540. 1848 minus 1540. 2 pi R square equal to 2 pi R square equal to 308. 308. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R square equal to 308. Then R square equal to 308 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, balance 1. See here, 22 twos are here, 14, 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So what is the value of R square? So what is the value of R square? R square equal to 49. 7 sevens are. R square equal to 49. R equal to 7 centimeter. R equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore radius equal to 7 centimeter. Radius equal to 7 centimeter. Then we move on to the height. What is the curved surface area? It is given 1540. We already seen. See here, 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH equal to 1540. You know very well about the radius value. Then we move on to find out the value of height. So 2 into 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius value? 7 into H equal to 1540. 1540. 7 7 get cancelled. H equal to 1540 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 22. 1 by 2 into 1 by 22. See here, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 sevens are 2 sevens are 770. 2 times 1170. 2 ones are 35. So what is the value of the height? Height equal to 35 centimeter. Height equal to 35 centimeter. 7 sevens are height equal to 35 centimeter and radius equal to 7 centimeter. See the third sum, the external radius. If it is external radius, it is nothing but a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. See the external radius of the length, external radius and length of the hollow cylinder, wooden log. Wooden log, it is in the shape of the cylinder only. Log, this is the shape of the cylinder only. This is the shape of the cylinder. Wooden log, the length is nothing but a height. Height is 13 centimeter. Height is 13 centimeter and external radius. External radius, outer radius, external radius, capital R equal to 16 centimeter and height of the log. Height, it's nothing but a length. It is given in a length. Height of the cylinder. Height of the hollow cylinder is given as what? 13 centimeter. Height of the log, it is given as 13 centimeter. So thickness, then they are given as thickness also. Thickness of the log. Thickness of the log. Thickness equal to 4 centimeter. Thickness equal to 4 centimeter. Height is given. Height is nothing but a length. Length you can take it into the form of height. Height equal to 13 centimeter. External radius equal to 16 centimeter and thickness equal to 4 centimeter. So you should find out the what? Find the total surface area. Total surface area. So thickness equal to T equal to capital R minus small r. Thickness equal to capital R minus small r. So thickness is 4 centimeter equal to capital R is 16 minus r. So radius, small r, radius equal to 16 minus 4. So small r equal to 12 centimeter. Small r equal to 12 centimeter and capital R equal to 16 centimeter. What is the height of the log? H equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. See total surface area of hollow cylinder. Total surface area of, because external radius and internal radius are given. Total surface area of hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder equal to total surface area of hollow cylinder equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r, capital R minus small r plus h square units. Capital R square units. Capital R plus small r into capital R minus r plus h into square units. Can substitute the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into r plus r, that is nothing but what? 16 plus 12, because capital R is 16, small r is 12. Then 16 minus 12 plus 13. 16 minus 12 plus 13. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. 28 into 16 minus 12 is 4. 16 minus 12 is 4 plus 13. 4 plus 13 is what? 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12. 16 plus 13 is what? 29. 16 plus 13 is 29. 29 minus 12. 29 into 17. So 7 ones are 7 fours are 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. So total surface area of the hollow cylinder. Total surface area of the hollow cylinder. You can do the calculation in the calculation part. Can do the calculation in the rough work column and check the value. 2992 centimeter square. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.